In the silent deserts of Arabia, a man would appear who would change the destiny of humanity forever. His message would destroy idols, unite revolt, and guide billions of hearts towards one God. This is the story of Prophet Muhammad, the final messenger of Islam. Over 14 years ago, the world was drowning in arrogance, injustice, and tribal wars. In the city of Mecca, among the tribe of Quraysh, a child was born who would bring light of the world. His name was Muhammad, the final prophet sent by Allah. In the year known as the Year of the Elephant, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. Orphaned at the young age, he was raised by his grandfather Abu Muttalib and later by his uncle Abu Talib. Even before prophethood, the people of Mecca called him al-Amin, the trustworthy. At the age of 40, he would retreat often to the cave of Hira, seeking truth and reflection. One night, the angel Jibril appeared and commanded him read. This was the beginning of revelation as mentioned in Sahih Bukhari. With trembling